Dali! Go up na! Go na! Go. Go up na!
Dali, go to your room. We have practice tomorrow football. We have practice tomorrow football. Early in the morning. You will wake up on 5 in the morning. So your driver will get you to the football practice. Go up na. Go to your room now. Now.
Go upstairs na, go. You have your football practice tomorrow. Come on.
What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Sabi, Jugi!
Adali, I said go to your room. You have a practice tomorrow. Mang Doming will wake up early in the morning, 5 a.m. Mang Doming will wake up early in the morning, 5 a.m. You have a football practice tomorrow. Yan na. Go to your room na. Oh, good night na. Kiss daddy na. Oh, yeah. Get this.